Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking bread with low moisture. Stale or slightly dry works best because it grinds into dry crumbs. Once chosen, slice into roughly 1/2 inch to 1 inch pieces so drying is even. Place on a single layer. Preheat to 120 degrees 140 degrees C and oven dry for 20-40 minutes, checking every 10 minutes to avoid browning. If you prefer no oven, leave the slices uncovered at room temperature 12-24 hours instead. This removes moisture slowly and once the bread is fully dry, break pieces into the bowl of a food processor and pulse in short bursts. This gives you control over texture. For rustic soup topping, aim for coarse crumbs. For thickening, grind finer. Make sure to sift or shake through a mesh to separate large bits and reprocess them. If you want seasoned crumbs, add about 0.5 to 1 teaspoon salt per 200 grams and a pinch of herbs before a quick toss. Then toast briefly in a dry skillet to develop color and flavor. You finish by cooling the crumbs completely on a tray so residual steam doesn't reintroduce moisture. Pack airtight, use jars or freezer bags, and label with date. Room temperature gives you about 2 weeks or freeze up to 3 months. When using in soup, add near the end to preserve texture or use as a topping. If the crumbs ever turn soggy, don't waste them. Spread single layer and re-dry at 100 degrees C for 5-10 minutes, stirring once. This restores crispness without over-browning.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.